present about the Marpol Annex 5. All it talks about the food waste, wherein type of there are different categories to which you can discharge those waste on sea. Type of garbage like food waste, community or ground. It can be discharged outside special areas from 3 nautical miles, less than 3 nautical miles from the nearest land, and route in as far as practicable, or within ships within special areas. You can discharge it less than nautical 12 nautical miles from the nearest land and route and as far as practicable, or from offshore platforms. You can discharge is permitted, wherein there are other categories wherein the discharge are prohibited. Marpol Annex 5. Here are some here are the special areas. The North Sea, the Baltic Sea, Black Sea, wider Caribbean region, inclined with the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea, Gulf area, Antarctic area, south of latitude 60 degrees south. That's all. Thank you.
Under revised Marpol Annex 5. Type of garbage. Food waste comminuted or ground on ships outside special areas can discharge permitted to greater than or equal 3 nautical miles from the nearest land, and in ships within special areas can discharge greater than 12 nautical miles from the nearest land, and food waste not comminuted or ground can be discharged in outside special areas with greater than or equal 12 nautical miles from the nearest land, and in ships within special areas I cannot discharge, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Very good. Well explained.
Senior Trigold. This is all about comminuted. Ito yun, sir, yung sa special area. Dapat within 3 nautical miles from the nearest land. And then po, pag po sa special area naman po, you can discharge sa 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. And then for the offshore platform, kailangan po may discharge permitted din po.
Okay.
For the waste not comminuted or ground, po giling, pwede lang po siyang itapon sa outside special area na merong 12 nautical miles.
Areas and Arctic water distance from the nearest land. 3 nautical mile en route and as far as practicable. Regulation 6 within spatial areas and Arctic waters. Distance are from the nearest land, nearest ice shield, or nearest past ice. Regulation 5 ay discharge permitted, sir. Food waste not comminuted or ground. 12 nautical mile en route and as far as practicable. Discharge na po din nila. Sure.
Yan.
Shout out po kay Riot.